Welcome to this tutorial on how to control your Quarky robot using Pictoblox and Python programming. In this video, we'll explore how to manage the robot using keyboard arrows and keys, activate sensors, display animations, and much more. Let's start by controlling the Quarky robot with the keyboard arrows. Here's how you can map the keys to move the robot forward, backward, left, and right. Next, we'll activate the ultrasonic and eye sensors to make the robot more interactive. This allows the robot to detect objects and respond accordingly. Now, let's make our Quarky robot come to life by displaying animations and emotions on its screen. We'll add some dynamic text to the screen, including a scrolling message and a countdown from 10 to 1. Finally, let's program the robot to play a sequence of sound notes, adding an audio element to our project. And there you have it, a fully functional Quarky robot controlled through Python and Pictoblox. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.